Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin with another video. Imagine going to a very new website and uploading files, right? I'm talking about the files that are on your computer right now. And every 30 seconds, they'll pay you $5. Okay, so the site is basically uploadship.com. Very easy, okay? All you do is upload files to your computer to this site, and they're gonna pay you $5, okay? These are the proof of payments right here. These are people right now that are actually making the money. $121, this guy here, right? $100, $277. And the great thing about it is worldwide. Anybody can do this all around the world. Smash the like button for me making a video because it's worldwide. Let's go. And remember, in the comment section, always let me know where you are on the planet, because I'm always doing research and I always do it for myself first to make sure it works. But make sure that you comment your country below, and you can always say, hey Wesley, I love you so much. Keep making these videos, man. Let's go. Okay, so these are a lot of people right now that are making money on this website here. And listen, just go to uploadship.com. That's step number one as well. Now check this out. So the question is, well, how does it work, Wesley? How do people make the money? So if you look down here, they're going to basically, as a free account, right, get a free account. They're going to pay you $5 to upload files to this site, okay? I know it's crazy, but I'm going to show you step by step. That's why I told you, listen to the very end and don't skip, because at the end, I'm going to show you how to do it on autopilot. I'm sure how to get thousands and thousands and thousands like crazy. So listen all the way through right now. So the thing is, basically, as you can see, all countries here, right? Smash the like button for all countries, right? Let's go! So all countries here, $5. They're going to pay you to upload files here. Now, if you want a premium account, that costs money. I wouldn't do that, but they will pay you more money. But let's stick with the free account right now. But the great thing about this site that I love, and I'm going to show you something in the next 60 seconds that's going to blow your mind. They're going to pay you 5% for everybody that you refer. And I'm going to show you how to get referrals automatically as you are uploading to the site. And it doesn't take a lot of time. Unless you could be a teenager, you could be a single mom at the house, single dad. Maybe you hate your job and you want a side hustle. This is probably the best thing right now during the pandemic, during the time right now. The world is crazy. And to really sit in your bed, listen, relax, and use your computer or your iPhone to do this, okay? So first, you need to get an account. So I'm going to log into my account. It's free. And this is me right here. This is my ID. It's billionaire. Why? Because I'm going to be a billionaire. Like, I'm a billionaire right now. You got to believe it. Comment that below. You got to believe, okay? You got to believe that you can make money online right now. You got to believe that you really can turn your situation around, okay? Because I did this years ago, and I thank God that I trusted somebody that I believed in, and now I'm making a lot of money on the computer. Now it's your turn, okay? So you log in right here. It's a free account. Let me do it again. Give me 1 second. Okay, here we go. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. There we go. So as you can see here, this is my account, and this is all you do. You know, you just upload account. See, free make money secrets. That's the doc that I just uploaded here, and you can do many uploads here. Let me upload another file here. I just want to do it live so you'll know exactly what I'm doing. 10 freezy easy ways to make money online tonight. And if you're good, I will give you access to that file, because that file is what I use and it works, you know. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how it works, okay? So you upload the file, done deal, right? It takes about 2, 5, 10 seconds to upload the file. Now your question may be, well, Wesley, where do you get these ebooks from? Okay, let me show you a site. Now write this down. This is step number 2, right? Go to plrminds.com. You don't have to spend any money. It's totally free. These are ebooks that people are going to download, and that site is going to pay you $5 like every 30 seconds, 60 seconds, like over and over again. Go to plrminds.com. Scroll down here. Free ebooks. That's free, right? It doesn't cost any money to do this. And basically, you go here and you just download books. Now, what I would do, you want to download books like Work From Home. Why? Because people right now, they can't work, right? Some people can't work, And most people right now, they want to be entrepreneurs like you. They want to make money now, fast, online. And that's what you do here. So what you do is you just download these books. All right. So let me suggest a book for you. How about that? Smash the like button if you would like me to suggest a book that I know that works pretty well. Okay. Thank you for smashing that like button, big head. Appreciate that. And check it out. So if we go down here, resale rights free ebooks here. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Scroll down here. Nothing I like here. Let's go back up here. Master resale. So private label rights means that you can use it, you can sell it, you can use it, you can give it to people. But listen, every time you give that book to someone, when they download it, you're just going to make money. That's just how the site works. So for example, okay, let's scroll down. Let's type in, because everybody wants to make money online, right? That's why you're here. So look at this, 15 top ways to save money, right? It's a pretty good book. People are always trying to save money. So this is an example. You click on a book like this, you scroll down, and you basically just download the book, okay? Does that make sense? You just download the book. That's it. And then you take that download, then you go back here to upload ship, and you just upload the actual book to the website. Now, it's important, what you want to do is when you go to the site, find something that has something related to making money online. Why? Because it's very popular. Because that's exactly what you want to do. So other people want to do it too. Now, stay here because I'm going to show you how to get thousands of downloads by doing a 5-second activity, okay? Now, just pay attention. A lot of internet marketers will never show you this. But, you know, Wesley, I love you. Like you, I love you, right? So smash that like button, baby. Let's go! Let's make some money, baby. Okay, check it out. So this is where it gets really simple, okay? So you uploaded it. Say if you have a couple of books. But what we're going to do is we're going to focus on 10 free easy ways to make money online tonight. As a matter of fact, if you're cool and if you're good, if you smash that like button because you're showing me some love. And I know I don't have, I'm trying to cover up my boobies. I'm sorry. I'm covering up my chest. Don't look at me like that. Listen, I give you that in the description below. You can have that book and just upload it to the site as well so you can start making the money. So if you click on this, this is how the money is generated here. You see here? That's the link here. So when people click on that link, and I'm going to tell you exactly where to put it, they go to a page like this, right? And they download it. When they download it, now this starts to generate the money for you, okay? Now, understand, you need about 1,000 downloads, right, to start getting in the money. But I'm going to show you how to get thousands of downloads on autopilot for like nothing, for $0, okay? Make sense? So, but the great thing about this, every time a person goes to the site, if they sign up for upload ship, which they will, they're going to pay you 5% of that commission every time they sign up for a premium account. So guess what? You're making money 2 ways, not 1 way. Understand, the internet industry, making money online, earning money online, it's about passive residual income. And guess what? I'm going to show you proof here because I'm going to log into one of my accounts and I'm going to show you some crazy income. And I'm going to leave a link to the video at the end of this video so you can click on it so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. But that's all you do, okay? Now, your question may be, okay, Wesley, I've uploaded my file to the actual upload ship here, right? And I want to promote the book that you're going to give me for free because you love me, and I'm going to smash the like button for you. And I'm going to give you that for free in the description below. How do I get more people to go to this link right here, okay? How do I get more people to go to that link? Easy. This is what you're going to do. You're going to go to facebook.com, okay? How many of you have facebook.com? You go to Facebook, and what you want to do is go to groups, okay? Let me move my big head over here. Let's get it, baby! I know, some of you guys say, I love this guy's energy. Listen, if you love my energy, smash the like button, make sure you sub because, you know, learning should be fun. You know, I'm never going to create a boring video. Look at me. I would never create a boring video. Let's go! I'm motivated, dedicated, let's go! All right, you gotta have some enthusiasm, baby. Listen, so you want to type in make money online. You go to groups here. See how easy it is? See where it says make money online? Just join the group. As you can see, I've already joined the group. That's 148,000 people, okay? So the thing is, when you put your link here, and you can put your link here, or you can put some verbiage. And as a matter of fact, what I'm going to do for you, because I like you so much and I want to deserve your like, and I want you to smash the like button here, or obliterate the like button right now, is I'm going to give you some scripts that you can use on Facebook to get more people. Something like this. Give us something. So, like, say if you type in free 10 free easy ways to make money online in 24 hours. And what you do is this. You got to be smart. You don't want to put your link right there. Comment, I want it now. Because what you can say, hey, my name is Wes, my name is whatever, and I'm just going to give some free ebooks away to you. This is something I've been using, and I want to give it to the first 10 people that comment, I want it now below. So if you want the file, comment, like if you want the file, and it doesn't have to be in all caps like this. If you want the file, or you can put something like this. Want the file? Comment, I want it now. Let's go. Whatever, you know. Like your boy Wes. Let's go. Right? Then people are going to do, they're going to just start commenting, right? Commenting. I want it. Then what you do is you reach out to these people, okay? Then once you reach out to these people are going to click on your link and they're going to download it. And all those downloads that are coming through, that's generating cash for you. Listen, not just that. Now listen up close. Not just that. When people start to download your book, now it's an opportunity for them to become an affiliate. So you're going to make 5% every time somebody sign up for the upload ship. So there's two ways of making money, okay? Got to remember this. It's about passive residual income. Most people never make money online because they don't understand the principles as it relates to making money online. When you do something on the computer, you want to make sure, now listen, you want to make sure you get paid twice or 3 times when you do the work one time, okay? You don't, because that's your job. You do the work one time, you get paid one time, right? That's called job income. That's active income. Passive income, listen, this is all you do. And what I'm going to do is, since I love you so much, I'm going to give you some scripts that I use for Facebook, and I make a ton of money doing this. I know a lot of people that do it, and I'm going to take these scripts that work, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Let's go! See, that's why you love me so much, right? Because I give more value than the average person. So that's all you do. So listen, that's 148,000 people. Say if you have thousands of people that reach out to you to do it, all these people are going to download, and you're making money, okay? You're making money because they're downloading the file. Now, I promise you one thing. Let me show you a website that I've been using for a while. I've never shared it with anybody, but I'm going to share it with you right now. And this is how you get massive, like tens of thousands of people that can come to your link ASAP and just make money faster. So if you want to make money faster right now, if you want that site, smash the like button for your boy Wes. Here it is. Boom, baby. Udemy.com. Okay, you see it? Udemy.com. Basically, people here on this site, you can basically pay them, like Tim Walters here, like Igor Vasker. I've did a lot of business with this guy. So what they do is this. You pay them, and they say, hey, how many visitors do you want me to send to your site? So this guy, for 100 visitors, you pay him $43. He's going to send 100 people to your download link, and these people will download the link, and you're getting paid. So you do the math. Or if you're like me, you say, you know what? I want 500 visitors. So for $203, he's going to guarantee. I use this site like crazy to send traffic to all my websites, and I make a ton of money. You guys understand, you're making money 2 ways. They're going to download it, you make money, and when they sign up as a referral, it's more money. Now listen, this is not going to make you rich. You're not going to be a millionaire by doing this. But this will give you some extra passive income while you build your online legacy. Listen, it is no need to work for a job 20 to 30 years waiting on Social Security or waiting on retirement. That is BS. You can start right now making money online using this strategy and to make money ASAP. I love you so much. This is Wesley, billion dollar version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.